There are three approaches. One is called predictive life cycle, where, as the name indicates, predictive, you can predict what the next phase of a life cycle is going to come. This is also known as SDLC or waterfall, because in waterfall it goes from one level to other level. You cannot skip the level, and it is a linear way, which is a traditional. So building a villa, think it is a predictive life cycle. Adaptive life cycle, this started with IT industry. Adaptive life cycle is a mindset change where the phases are intentionally between 1 to 4 weeks. So whenever you come across adaptive life cycle, think of a website. You can make changes based on the sponsor or client requirements. Now the world is changing fast, and last 5 years, if you see the way the pandemic has come, today we are doing a hybrid approach. Wherever you want to be predictive, you be predictive.